So let's start by installing Go in our machine, which is pretty simple. Go to golang.org and here we can download Go. Pick the right version for your machine. I'm using Mac OS and simply download this installer. Let's wait till it's completed. So everything is downloaded. Now simply I already have a previous installation, but I'm reinstalling it, so I show you the simple steps. So just click next and I put the wrong password, install software, it will install and everything will be completed. So the installation was successful and we can use Go now in our machine. So I will move the installer to bin. If we open the terminal and run Go, we have a bunch of commands now and the Go is successfully installed.